Okay, so for my first video, I'm doing a double translation, which would be a reflection to a translation. So I'm starting off with the parallelogram ABCD, and I have my plotted points. So first, I'm going to reflect parallelogram ABCD over the line y equals -6. So I'm going to count -6 down the y-axis, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and that would be my point. So I'm going to draw my line. Okay. Okay. Now, so the easy way to do this would be to just count the distance of points from the line. So basically just do, like for C would be 2 away from the line. So you have 2 away from the line, which would be -4, -8. So -4 and -8. So that would be our image C. So now we have B, which is, oh, well, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 away. So we just do, here's 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So this is B. So that would be -1, -8. Wait, yes. Okay. Okay, let me make sure I can still see. Okay, so we have C, B, now we want to do D, which is 2 away also, so that would be our D point. I'll just worry about the, okay, so the coordinate would be -12, -4, 5, 6, 7, 8, -12, -8. Okay. And last we would do A, which is the same distance from here to here, so it would just be here. Yes, okay. So this is our A point, which is -9, -8. Okay, so now that doesn't look right, but let's see. Yeah, I don't think that's right. Let me check the slope. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. So it needs to be 2 below. Alright, that's fine. So we're just going to ignore the ones above it. Cool. So I'm just going to connect the lines. So this is our image. The one above it would be the pre-image, the black one, when we started off with. Okay. Okay, so that would be the reflected one. Now we're going to translate it. Now, before we translate, if I really wanted, I could use the equation xy to x -y, but it was just easier to, well, might not have been, but you know. So translation, which means the shape size and orientation stays the same, we just move the shape to a different place on the grid. So let's say we're going to translate or slide parallelogram ABCD right 8 units and up 15. So if we're doing right 8 and up 15, we just count it out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Up 15 would be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Okay, so that's our C coordinate. It's a weird one to start off with, but oh well. let's just see. Which should be 1, 2, 3, 4 up. 2, 3, 6, 7. So 4, 7 is this coordinate. So now we're going to do D, which would be negative 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So negative 4, 7 should be 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 4, 5, 6, 7. So that's A. Okay. Now we're going to do D, which I can just check the slope. So it's over 1, 2, 3, and up 1, 2, 4, 5, 6. So down, I could just do over 3 and down 6. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That looks right. So actually, this is D, my bad. And this is A. So it's a double prime, double prime, double prime. Okay. So that would be negative 1, negative 1. Actually, no, negative 1, positive 1. Oops, okay. And then check the slope. The slope's the same for B, which would be over 3, down 6. Same one over here, which would be B, double prime, which is positive 7, 8, 9, 10, positive 10, and then up 1, so 10, 1. Okay, so now I'm going to connect the dots here. Sorry, this is messy. Okay. All right, so that would be, okay, now I've reflected, and then translated right 8 up 15 with the new points. A would be negative 1, 1, B would be 7, 1, B, oh, shit, oops, sorry. 7, 1. No, I'm right. That's just wrong. Okay. C would be 4, 7, and D is negative 4, 7. Awesome.